2025 Jaecoo J8, redefining affordable luxury, full review and test drive intro. The SUV game is changing fast, and Jaecoo isn't just joining the race, it's aiming to lead it. Meet the 2025 Jaecoo J8, a bold new player that blends rugged style, high-end comfort, and next-gen tech, all without breaking the bank. In this video, we're taking you on a full tour and test drive of this impressive machine. Let's dive in. Exterior, striking, sleek, and built to impress. The J8 looks like a futuristic concept SUV that's actually hit the streets. With its commanding stance and eye-catching details, it doesn't just show up, it shows off. Oversized chrome-accented grille that demands attention. Matrix-style LED headlights with razor-sharp design, aerodynamic flush door handles. Sporty roofline that screams motion, 21-inch alloys for a premium touch. Panoramic sunroof that opens up the cabin. This is curb appeal on a whole new level. Interior, luxe lounge on wheels. Step inside the J8, and it's clear, this is no ordinary SUV. It's a rolling sanctuary that blends comfort with cutting-edge tech, offering a space that feels more like a first-class cabin than a commuter's car. Giant 15.6-inch central touchscreen, all-digital driver display, ventilated, heated massage seats, customizable ambient lighting themes, audiophile-grade 14-speaker sound system. Everything's designed to make every drive feel like a retreat. Performance, refined muscle, seamless control. Whether you want fuel-efficient cruising or punchy performance, the J8 has you covered with 2 turbocharged engines. And with all-wheel drive and a smooth 8-speed gearbox, you're ready for just about anything. 2.0-liter turbo engine, 261 horsepower, 390 newton-meters of torque 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Approximately 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.5 seconds, 8-speed automatic for effortless shifting smart AWD and multiple drive modes, eco, sport, snow, smooth on the streets, confident off the beaten path. Technology, smart in all the right ways. If you're into tech, the Jaecoo J8 is a dream ride. It's brimming with futuristic features that make every trip easier, safer, and more connected. Advanced ADAS 2.0 Driver Assist Suite. Face ID for driver personalization, over-the-air OTA updates. Keep your car current. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in AI voice assistant, full remote control through your smartphone. Smart, intuitive, and always up to date. Safety. Top marks in protection. Safety isn't just a feature here, it's a priority. The J8 is packed with active and passive systems designed to keep you and your passengers secure. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping. Assist, emergency auto braking, 360-degree surround view cameras. Smart auto parking system, Jaecoo's aiming for a 5-star rating, and it's easy to see why. Price and Rivals, a premium package. Without the premium price. While official pricing is still rolling out globally, early estimates put the J8 in the sweet spot, $35,000 to $45,000 USD, depending on trim. Top competitors, Toyota RAV4, Hyundai Tucson Kia, Sportage Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. But with more tech, upscale design, and real value, the J8 makes a strong case for itself. Final verdict. Should you consider the Jaecoo J8? If you're hunting for an SUV that's smart, stylish, spacious, and feels like a luxury ride without the luxury price tag, the Jaecoo J8 should be on your radar. It's a confident, tech-savvy disruptor from a brand that's making bold moves. Jaecoo isn't just entering the SUV game, it's rewriting the rules.